Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you how to download and install Pandoc and LaTeX. Okay, first off, we open our browser. I use Chrome. You can use any browser that you would like, and you can search for download. Literally, this is what you need to search for: download LaTeX for Windows 10, uh, and then first link that appears, that is the link that you open up, and then you scroll down, and then right there you download. Okay, I'm not going to download this because it's already on my computer. Then you search again, download Pandoc, Pandoc, Pandoc. And first one that appears, that's the link that you open, and then you will press here, download the latest installer for Windows. And then okay, again, this is already on my computer, so I will not download it. Okay, then we can close that. Then you go to your downloads folder, the downloads folder over there, and you install Pandoc. You do not install Pandoc for all users, okay? So do not check that box. Then you go to, while that is busy installing, then you install LaTeX as well. You accept it. Next, again, you do not install it for all users. Install it only for the local user. Yes, install them. Next, next. Pandoc is done installing. Right, you can close that. All right, while we are waiting for this to finish installing, I've heard some people saying that they do not know where to get their assignments. Okay, all you need to do to get your assignment, especially it's easy, especially if you're going to use Jupyter Notebooks. All right, you go to Microsoft Teams, open Microsoft Teams, then you go to Teams right here, and then you press INF 1511, and then in INF 1511 you go to assignment 1. In assignment 1 you go to files, then you scroll down, scroll all the way down. What you want is this IPYNB file, which is a notebook file. You click on it, just wait. When it appears, then you just press the download button. It's done downloading. All right, you can close that. Now, this is where that file has gone to. Let's open this again. It has gone to that downloads folder. So this is what you've just downloaded from Microsoft Teams. This is your assignment. How do you open this? How do you open this particular assignment? Remember, it's in the downloads folder. Keep that in mind. Okay. Then you open Jupyter Notebooks. Remember that assignment. Now Jupyter Notebooks is open. That assignment is in the downloads folder. So you open the downloads folder and there's your assignment. Right? Open your assignment. See, there's your assignment. All right. Let us just check if this is not done downloading. It's not. Then you can just highlight the student number there and you write your own 678 whatever your student number is, and then here you can highlight and just overwrite name to Kendrick Ma. Right, let us just check on this again. Whoa, this takes quite a long time to download. Well, it's a long time because, well, I'm doing this tutorial, but I think the time it takes to download and install is quite a reasonable amount of time. Right, it's almost done. Hmm, almost done, almost done. Wow, I have to give it to myself. I'm really a patient person. Okay, my patience have paid off. Check for updates now? Why not? Tell me more? No. So now it's going to check for updates. While it's checking for updates, let us just scroll down to question one. Question one, I'm not going to read it. Just want to show you. It seems there's an issue there. Let me just do this automatically. If it shows you any problems, um, you can just go to updates, because what you want to do is install, check for updates and install them. And there they reappear, and I say update them now. So what it's going to do is that it's going to install those three packages over there, the packages that are necessary to use latex effectively. All right, so while that is busy installing, uh, we go back to our question one. You just highlight over there over question one and you backspace delete it, right? And then you can start with your assignment. You just write your code there. Food is a variable, is, and to it we're gonna assign chicken stew. Chicken stew, nice chicken stew. All right, so chicken stew is assigned to the variable food, and then we want to print that, right? Tonight I had food. And then I run that code. That is the code. This is the output. Okay, so this is what your lecturer wants to see when they mark your assignment. They want to see that you have written your code over there, and they want to see that your code does work. So you run your code and there's the output. Then you go to your next question. Uh, Time is equal to AM. Let me just write it as a string. 50 AM. Then print the time now is time. You run. There it appears again. There's your code. Time. The time now is 10 to 2, right? AM. As you can see, you run that code, you write your code, you run your code, there's your output. You do not need to refresh your browser, and you write your next code, and there's your output. That way, you can create a PDF format of this thing where all um, your codes and your output and your codes and your output, they are all visible. All right, so you don't need to close this thing and just submit the output of one question. you can actually have the output of all your questions be displayed on your final PDF thing. Right, let us just see that one is done over there. Then what you do now is that you go to File and you save it as assignment 1. There you go, save assignment 1. When you save your PD, or rather your notebook files, all right, when you save them, what you want to ensure is that there are no spaces between assignment and the number 1. It must be one word, otherwise it would cause some few complications when we want to convert it to PDF. Then you search for command prompt. All you need to write in your search bar is CMD, and then your command prompt will appear there. You open it up, and then you navigate. To navigate using command prompt, you use the word CD, right? And then you want to navigate to the downloads folder, where this is your downloads folder, and I'm sorry about that. And this is your assignment that you have just saved, and you want to convert this to PDF. As you can see, there's no PDF file here, right? So you want to convert that to PDF. So you navigate to the downloads folder where that particular thing that you want to convert to PDF exists. Then you say, now you're going to tell the computer, I have a Jupyter notebook file and I want to convert it. To PDF. What file, what Jupyter notebook file do I want to convert to PDF? It is assignment 1, which I'm supposed to submit, .ipynb. Let us just see. If you're gonna misspell anything here, then it's gonna give you an error. All right, let us just have one error here. Let us not write the number 1 there. All right, IPYNB. So we are deliberately making this mistake here. I just want to show you the error that can exist. There, it's an error. All right, so it hasn't converted your notebook file into PDF. It gives you a straight error, but we are still in the downloads folder, so we can rectify that error. Everything, computers are incredibly not smart, so you want to ensure that you write everything accurately. We want to convert assignment 1.ipynb. Let us see, Jupyter is spelled correctly, NB notebook convert to PDF assignment 1. Everything is spelled correctly. Then we press the enter key. Now it's building our PDF. Okay, let us just wait. We are waiting. It has to tell us that the PDF file, or rather the notebook file, has been converted to PDF successfully. That is all we are waiting for now. It's going to be written somewhere along here. Let me just scroll down so that we can see it when it happens. Don't want to see that error anymore. I am not sure though if all of those packages, because there are extra packages that need to be installed, and I'm just not sure if they have all been installed at this particular point in time, because usually it just takes like a few seconds to convert that notebook file into a PDF document. So it might be that it's still installing those packages. I don't know. But anyway, once you have installed everything, then it's usually faster than this, way faster than this. Just takes a few seconds. But obviously, I've just installed everything. Now, did the assignment. Now, converted it. Now, doing everything at the same time. So it is just taking a bit longer for those particular reasons. I might need to close this command prompt because another thing that I'm not sure about is whether it will successfully convert to PDF if when I was busy with this operation in the background those packages were still busy installing. It's just that another thing, I cannot keep track of whether those packages are busy installing because there is no window that tells me of the progress of those installations. All right, okay, let me just try again. I'll close this and then I'll CMD, there's command prompt. I go to command prompt, open it, and then again I navigate to the downloads folder, and then Jupyter NB convert to PDF assignment 1.ipynb. Do this now. Do it. Do it. Guys, I really enjoyed learning Python from chapter 1 to chapter 3. Just finished chapter 4, and I can tell you that it becomes difficult. It's so much work, so much stuff to remember. But it is all fun. At least I'm enjoying this programming course. Okay, now we wait, and we wait, and we wait, and we wait. Oop, and we wait. Might as well sing while we're waiting, and we wait, ta, 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 and we wait, ta, 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 and we wait, and we wait, ta, 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 and we wait, and we wait, ta, 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 and we wait, ta, ta, ta. And we wait, ta, 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 and we wait, ta, 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 ta. I could have made a cup of coffee now, eh? But then again, I need to be up by 7 o'clock in the morning. Anyway, and we wait, ta, 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 and we wait, ta, ta. I will assume that those packages have by now successfully installed themselves. So I will close command prompt one last time and then try to convert and then try to convert that notebook file into PDF again. Okay, it is only taking this long because those stuff are still installing, right? But I promise you it is way quicker than this. Right, so let us just close that it really does not cause any harm to the computer when I close it and the thing is still in progress. Nope, no harm whatsoever. Navigate to downloads, Jupyter Notebook convert to PDF assignment 1.ipynb. Everything is spelled correctly. Yes. Press enter. Do this now. Do this now. Do not disappoint me. Do not disappoint me. Come now. Come now. I wish I had a faster computer. Hmm. Hmm. I think if anything that this particular process has now taught me is that I need a faster machine. I will need to invest in a better computer. Mm. And there it is. PDF successfully created. Do you see how quick that was? Was less than a minute. PDF successfully created, and yeah, it's saved as assignment1.pdf. Now let us go back to our downloads folder. There it is. There is the file. This file was converted to PDF. All right. Open the file. Let me just close that there and push that wide, and then 100%. Student number, Kendrick Lamar. Food, chicken stew. That's our code. That's our code. That's our output. Let us see question two. Question two time now is, it was like 15 minutes ago. Okay. And there's the output. Simple as that. Right. So yeah, I hope that's it. And I hope that you have learned much from this tutorial. Goodbye.